जय हिंद बच्चों. Today we'll do one more topic of class 9th, that chapter 5, that is fundamental unit of life, and the topic is vacuoles. So what are vacuoles? So basically it's a storage sacks for solid or liquid contents. Okay? So it's a sac-like structure. If roughly we said it's just a membrane, inside that contents are there, and this content, it can be solid or it can be liquid, right? So inside the cell this type of organelle is present, right, which is a sac like, and which contains solid or liquid content. So these are smaller in size in animal cells and more in number, right? If we talk about this animal cell, if roughly we have drawn this animal cell, this central nucleus. So see, there is one vacuole, another vacuole, one more vacuole, right? So these are vacuoles. So they are smaller in size and more in number in animal cell. And if we talk about plant cells, so in plants vacuoles are larger in size, and they are less in number. So there is a central large vacuole, see, clear, and it occupies almost 50 to 90% of the area of the cell, or cell volume, right? And what is in this vacuole? In this vacuole, this is full of cell sap, clear? And in this, the important substances important for plant's life, substances which are important for plant life are present in that. So what all substances? Like amino acid, protein, right, some organic acid, sugar. So this is present in this vacuole, right? And see, it is occupied only 50 to 90% area volume of the cell. So it gives rigidity to the cell and turgidity also, right? If we'll remove this from the cells from the cell, then the cell become flaccid, right? So this this vacuole provide turgidity to the plant cell. More about this vacuole, what is the role, you will study in your higher classes, right? And how, if we talk about this, a single cell organism, like amoeba. So this is again animal cell, eukaryotic. So how these vacuoles are formed? See, so food is nearby. So this amoeba, it can detect this, there's a food is there. So this amoeba, it moves to it, right? It surrounds this food, right? And see, this way, this engulf the food, right? And this pinch off inside the cell. Now it's a food vacuole. Clear? So just a very simple organelle. Vacuole is a very simple organelle, just a sac-like structure, and inside that there is some solid or some liquid contents are there. Clear? So here a food vacuole is something solid. It can be liquid, it can be solid. So both way it can be. So this is vacuole. And one more thing, one more role of vacuole is to remove excess water. Those aquatic animals, right? And so they they remove their excess water from their body to outside through these vacuoles, right? And waste also removed. And how they do it, that you will do in your higher classes. Clear? So this is all about vacuole, and we'll do one more topic in next video. Thank you students.